Wagwan Tropical. You finally get the job where I pray about. No ends of fasting and prayer where you not go pan to get that job there. You finally get the chef job in a the big hotel. Boy, you do things, you go on with things in the hotel, the man. Boy, God is good, God is good, brother. God is good. It's good to serve the Lord. It's good to pray. It's good to fast. God is so good to you, Tropical. When you watch the big job where you get, look how long you sit down, nothing now going for you, and you finally get the job. Yes, you can look after the children, them. You can look after your wife. Something can happen for you now. You can save, make some money, and build up your house. You struggle hard, man. God finally come through for you, brethren. God finally come through for you. Don't give up on God. Don't give up on God. It may take long, but don't give up. I am glad, brethren, you never give up. I am glad you've been patient on the Lord. You've been humble, sitting down in Zion, and finally God come through for you, Tropical. It's good to serve the Lord. Yes, let's just rejoice in the Lord. Yes, let's continue to bless the Lord and give him thanks. God is good, brethren. God is good. You understand? God is so good. Continue to wait upon him and he will strengthen you. As the psalmist David said, I will lift up mine eyes unto the hills, from whence cometh my help. Oh, Tropical, remember, no help is not gonna come from anywhere else but from the Lord. It's good to serve the Lord, brethren. Give him thanks for that job you get in that hotel. Yes, that nice hotel there in Montego Bay. Yes, it's good. Very good. I hope you do the right thing and keep that job and make everyone proud now in this church here. You understand? Yes, man. Yes. Continue to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.